Alright guys, I know I think I made a video today. Nah, it was yesterday. Alright, so today I just wanted to make a random vlog. Not technically a video, but a vlog. And yeah, the reason why I wanted to make this is because if you're in Virginia right now, then as you can see, it is raining. It is raining to death. Oh, oops. My finger was coming. But if you can hear that in the background, it's raining like HL out there. God, it's crying really hard. And yeah, I was just about to play some Roblox. As you can see, and yeah, that's pretty much what I wanted to. And I know I'm acting over dramatic, but at first I was like, there's gonna be a tornado. Yeah, my dad's here, my sister's here from her house. She brought her boyfriend, and yes. See ya. Toodaloo.